Cooking for my daughter. Like our ancestral Bastet, the cat's head barely moves as he takes in the scene of me, mixing yeast and water, flour and salt. This dough is for pizza, a family staple that goes back before my daughter's birth, a time I remember as if it were only a story, and of course, she does not remember at all. She's coming for lunch in a few hours. This evolution in our lives is like the day after the discovery of the wheel, or the first summer after the domestication of wheat. Everything is different, but we're not quite sure what it all means just yet. Later, I punch down the risen dough and roll it out. I paint the surface with olive oil, then spread tomato sauce and cheese. New World innovations covering over old.